How to unhide locked chat folder in WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To unhide the locked chat folder in WhatsApp, it is very simple. So first and foremost, you need to tap open your WhatsApp app. Make sure it is connected to an account. Now in here, as you can see, the locked chat is not visible. But with a simple swipe down, you'll be able to check the locked chat. All you have to do is basically swipe it down a little and you will see the option of locked chat at the top. Click on the locked chat option and verify using your passcode or your biometric. In here, you will find all of the locked chat. Now, if you wish to unhide, you can press and hold on to the chat and tap on the three dot and just click on unlock chat. If you wish for a multiple unlocking, you have the option of multiple selection, then click on the three dot and tap on unlock chat, then again verify yourself. Now you will find this chat on your chat feed of WhatsApp. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so